Alright, hey everybody, Triple S, Southern Style, Katie. So take a look at this ceiling. Had some cracks going on in here. And this is actually, if you look really close, it was originally an orange peel, really sporadic, not done very well. And then somebody before a lady bought the house came in here and did a skip trowel over that. It's not even painted. But we're gonna show you how we do a little skip trowel. My boy Eli, you on?
Alright, so basically this is a skip trowel, what we call a skip trowel. A lot of they do it with a 10 inches knife. I believe this is with a 12 inches knife where we're going to be matching this texture in here. So what we're going to be doing is not grabbing a full pan. So we're just going to grab little bit, lay down, and when we get the mud in there, we're just going to go like that. Smashing trying to skip it as we go. It's gonna look that way at first. And like I say, we don't put too much pressure on the knife. We just roll with it. Depends on the thickness of the mud that you see on the texture. You want it to have the same consistency on it. You can go back always, like for the small areas that you didn't get enough. You just fill it in. Take a good look at it where you miss the spots.
There's no particular pattern, it's scattered, so basically you're going to scatter with your knife.
At this time that we fill it, all the patching here, we're going to go back and flat the same spots that we have here, running the same ways as just cutting it down. First of all, we go like where the lines are, we go this way, and we just like crisscross it, so we don't have those edges on matching the same texture that we have in the ceiling. Very simple. I know it's a little bit hard on the first time, but it's very simple. It's just the way you rigs. Like I say, we go back, take another look, and there's a wrap.
So you can see lines in the mud right here from the knife originally. So the thing with the skip trowel is there's not a whole lot of ways to do it. There's not one certain way to do it, and there's no pattern. So it's just a matter of moving your knife and get everything where you're not lined up and you're overseeing and get into the original texture. So none of this has been painted, but as you can see, we got a really close mix. So we actually sprayed some orange peel underneath because it was already orange peel, because otherwise we'd have blank white spots, blank spots underneath the texture. So pretty simple thing, but very difficult. If you look at it, you don't know what you're doing. So hopefully this helps. Doing it Southern style. Please subscribe.